about how a painting finally came to be woven as a pattu sari, a Kanchipuram pattu sari. So my daughter Sunita Palam, she's a chartered accountant, and she's very passionate about painting, and she designs saris as well. She did a series of painting called the Squared. It's all about vibrant colors and different textures on the painting. Suddenly when we were talking about concepts and bringing new colors into the sari, bringing different colors and textures into the sari, that's when my second daughter Vinita, she suggested, why not bring her paintings to life in a sari? Why not weave those designs? That's how this paintings, a series of paintings, we thought we would bring it out into vibrant colors in pattu. So we took all the paintings to the weaver's end. When we took this to him, we told him, can you bring to life so many colors, and can this be done on a sari? He just said, just let me take a look, and he just felt every box, and he said, have you realized every box seems to be in a different shade as well as a different texture. How about bringing this texture in a sari? He said, if you could do that, brilliant. And he took it up as a challenge, and that is how the concept of bringing the different textures in that particular sari, which later became the blend and trend concept. So to weave different textures in the pallu, we need to select different yarns, and the challenge here is, in one particular line there may be 3 different yarns which need to blend with silk, and that's a real challenge for the weaver. So the first sari took us nearly 8 to 9 weeks, because the weaver also has to first weave the little pieces of fabric to see how the different yarns blend, and only when he gets the hang of it, he can even start weaving the sari. And the pallu alone, because it's a huge pallu with different textures, so the pallu alone would take him like nearly 4 weeks to weave. And then we kept the rest of the sari plain, because we thought, since there's so much happening on the pallu and different textures, and the pallu has to be the highlight, we had to break certain rules of regular Kanchipuram sari. A regular Kanchipuram sari has the border, the pallu and the body part. So here you would find it's only the pallu, and the rest of the sari is just one plain shade of fabric. So the first sari that now we have done is in black, and you can see the different colors, the different textures, as well as the little zari parts, the colored zari, which would shine a little even in the dark. So it's more of a party wear. So this is just to show that our Kanchipuram weavers are capable of weaving anything from something extremely traditional to even a cocktail sari. So here you would see the different fabrics and different colors and shades and the textures on the pallu, and the rest of the sari would be one plain shade, and the first sari has been woven in black. Our weavers are so skillful, and the skills of these weavers definitely need to be passed on to the next gen, and whether the next gen takes it up as a career or as a hobby, but I think it definitely needs to be passed on, because that's our heritage. Weaving is something that you need to consider like any other form of art, like music and dance. So these are skills that need to be learnt and passed on to the next gen. This is the story of the sari, which started from one artist and ended with another artist. And this is the role of Palam, which serves as a bridge between one artist and the other artist.